Hey guys, today we're going to talk about factoring. Factoring is one of the methods that we use to simplify problems in algebra. Let's take this problem for example here. In factoring, what I want to do is I want to split it up into two parts, and this helps us find our zeros, something that we're going to be using later in algebra. I always start with parentheses, and since my first coefficient is a 1, I'm going to go ahead and put my x in both parts. Now what I'm going to look at, I want to look at my final number. I notice it's a 3. I want to look at my factors of 3. In this case, we only have 2, 1 and 3. I need two numbers that multiply together to give me 3, that add together to give me 4. And my only options are 1 and 3, so I'm going to put a 1 and a 3. Next, I notice it's a plus, and I need the same sign. I notice this is a plus, so I need the same sign. So I'm going to put a plus and a plus. And that's how I factor this problem. Let's look at one that's slightly harder. Here, I have more than two factors. I'm going to list my factors. I have 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 3 doesn't work, 4 and 5. Notice that there's no numbers between 4 and 5. That means that I have listed all of my factors. What I want, again, is two numbers that add together or multiply together to give me 20, and that add together to give me 9. So 1 plus 20 is 21. It doesn't work. 2 plus 10 is 12. Doesn't work. 4 plus 5 is 9, which is what I'm looking for. Since my leading coefficient is 1, I can break this up as x and x. And I'm going to go ahead and put my 4 and 5. Because this is a plus and this is a plus, I know that it has to be the same signs, and both are plus, giving me my factored form. One more. An even harder one. This one's going to have a lot more factors. So once again, I'm going to break it up. I'm going to have 1 and 54. I have 2 and 27. I have 3 and 54 divided by 3 is 18. And 4 is 54 divisible by 4. No. 5 doesn't work. Because 2 and 3 work, I know 6 works. 6 and 9. Now this one is going to have an extra step here. Notice how 18 minus 3 does work. But just like last time, both are the same signs and both are positive, so I have to add these. And the only one that works here is 6 and 9. So I can break this up just like last time. X plus 6 and x plus 9. Again, I know I have a leading coefficient of 1. There's my factored form.